Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing and unboxing my Sony Value Pack PSP that I bought a long time ago, early 2000s, and I have the box and everything included, so I thought I'd do an unboxing just like it's day one. This one has the Spider-Man 2 movie and a video sample disc as well. So now we'll get into the unboxing. I put it all back together so you can see we even kept the plastic for all the discs. We'll get into that in just a moment. That's the value pack. Comes with the slip cover. You just slip your PSP right into there. This is the 1000 model series, so it's the one that's easily modded. Here are the charging cords, also fully packed in the plastic. Because if you save the box, you might as well save the plastic pieces, right? So there's that. And then underneath that is the actual PSP. It's inside of here. There we go. So here's the PSP. We'll take that out right there. And then the accessories. Some extra plastic bags. Here's the headphones. These are a wired headphone right there with the controller piece. Here's the holder there. And headphones that plug into the controller piece. Okay. So nothing else is left in the box. We'll do a quick swing around the box so you can see what's on here. So there's the front. Show you the Spider-Man 2 movie sample disc sticker right there. It's a value pack. Shows you how all the accessories are connected to the PSP. It's a pretty nice box. Right there. There's some details about what this has to offer. This has the UMD drive right here. It's USB certified Wi-Fi B. That's pretty old. Some Sony badging right there. We're just quickly going to scroll over the details, and then you can pause this anytime to take a look. And while that is being scrolled over, I'm going to take the accessories out of the bags. I don't think I ever used these. I mean, this still has that part on there. This is probably the first time it's ever been out of the bag. Look at that. That's pretty neat. These are push button. They're not capacitive touch, they're full on push button. And then there's a little slider right here. And then this piece with the digital portion goes into the PSP. Okay, put the PSP back in its original cover. There it is. Now again, this is the 1000 series. So this is the one that everyone's looking for, or the new PS Vita. This actually opens to put discs in. And here is the front of the PSP. That piano black that everyone likes right there. It's pretty fresh. This is like perfect right here. All these buttons are just amazing. And there's the USB port right there. There we go. That opens just like it should. Closes just like it should. It looks like there's an IR port as well right here. And then here is where the power goes right there. And then this is for the hold or power button. So you plug it in right there. And then on this side, it's a memory card holder right there. And then I have a memory card adapter that goes in there. This has a micro SD right there, so you can get these adapters that work. And then this, you just slip this right into here when you're ready to take it with you. It's perfect like that. And then this piece fits out, so you can actually attach this to that right there. Okay, now going inside of the accessory bag, right here. Take these top parts out. So here's the Spider-Man 2 UMD disc video. It's the full movie. And here's the sample disc. There's some things you can try in here, but they don't actually really do anything. But this movie's pretty cool. And there's some documentation. Oh, and look, something to clean the screen with. That's nice. And I also purchased 2 games back in the day. Blue Mines is one of them. And there is the UMD disc right there. It's pretty fresh. Basically brand new. So there's that one. And then we have this one. Wipe Out Pure. Again, fresh disc right there. No scratches at all. And I'm excited to get using this again. I'm going to charge it up and we'll see how the battery works out. But this is the PSP-1000, and I like the form factor, I like the screen. That piano black is really nice. The controller buttons are perfect condition. And you can even watch movies on it too. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram, Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.